Hello RV adventurers. Today we're going to take you on a tour of the Spirit model. Hope you enjoy this. Take a look at it and we'll see you later. Hello, come on into the Spirit Deluxe model. As you can see, I'm sitting in the dinette area. When you first walk in the trailer, the dinette is opposite the door. You have two nice benches here where you can sit, have your meal, play some cards, work on your computers, plan your travels. Nice picture window to look out and see outside while you're sitting here. You have some storage above and below in this model. The above storage has two nice compartments. They're open through the middle all the way across there. Nice storage. And then under the seats you have a little access door here from the top that looks down in there, or you can open the door this way. Nice storage underneath there. You see some water lines back in there that go to water outside. Okay, opposite your little dinette you have your refrigerator, microwave, and storage. So let's start with the storage up there. Some of the other models, if you've already seen them, have a storage compartment up here at the top above the microwave. A nice microwave here. If you don't, this is an option. If you don't get the microwave with the trailer, you'll have a pantry here for storage of goods. You have your Dometic Refrigerator, 1 to 5 cold controls, DC, AC, and gas, and an automatic switch, on-off switch. This switch between the 3 power sources and a check light if something doesn't go right. You open the refrigerator. You have a freezer compartment at the top. 2 shelves here with a cutout at the bottom for large jugs, high jugs like milk jugs and things. You have some door shelves that are adjustable. You can move them up and down here and here. A wider one at the bottom. Nice refrigerator. And then you continue right on over. And you have your sink with a high-rise faucet right there. You have your 2-burner stove. The cover lifts up, and the cover has a little latch on it that holds it there, and that protects someone that's sitting back here from anything hot. You have a little spice rack here. Your control for your furnace, your gas furnace, is right here. To turn your gas furnace off and on. A vent hood with a light and a fan, and a storage compartment above. Nice adequate storage. They have a paper towel rack mounted on the inside of the door there. You have a drawer underneath your stove that slides out for flatware and other things, towels, whatever you want to put in there. You have your furnaces here, so you have a little bit of storage underneath the furnace back in there. And then you have a large storage closet here underneath your sink. Of course, there's a wheel well back in there, but nice storage. All right, I'm sitting on what is a dinette, but it's folded down to make a full double-sized bed for the back. And we have some friends that have this trailer, and they say they like to leave the bed down. They leave it made up, and they have a foam topper on top of these cushions. And they leave this bed like this all the time because they sit here in a dinette for sitting. But this also lifts up. The 2 middle cushions here lift up and they become the backs. Kind of like this. They become the back. And then this... Sorry. So, and then this comes up, and you got the 2 posts there that go into the holes in the floor, and this is your dining table. So that's how that converts into a table. Okay, the back here is designed similar to the Freedom model. You have storage at the top. It goes all the way to the back of the trailer. And then you have a large storage compartment in the very back there. And storage on this side as well. And this one has the TV mounted in it, and the cable connector that goes over to the outside. Okay, the air conditioning unit is up here. Heat strip, hot and cold air there. And then up here you have your fantastic fan that is automatic. The cover opens when you turn it on. You turn it off and the cover closes. It comes with a remote as well, so you can do that remotely. Like most of the models, there are bathrooms in here and a closet is in here. We'll take a close look at that. Okay, the closet comes with a clothes hanger and a little bit of storage space in the bottom down there where you can keep some supplies and things. And the door has a basket on it. You have a towel bar. And let's step in here. Vent fans up here to raise it and turn it on. Shower wand for showering. And the Casita trailers look like now they come with these little pockets. So it's like a pocket, so you can actually put things in here and not bounce around and fall out while you're going down the road. A little standard faucet here. A little sink. The sink has a little storage compartment on the side where you can keep stuff in there. It's waterproof, and then a little waterproof container here where you can store stuff in there. And the shower basin here. You have a standard 10-foot toilet with a flush valve in the front. A little vent window here, frosted with a screen. There we go. A light here. And a shower curtain. A little basket comes with it there for storing things. Alright. And a shower curtain so you can shower up. One important note here, all of the Casita models can be ordered in the standard configuration, which removes the front closet and bathroom and puts bunk beds in the front. Here's a picture of how that looks. Hope you enjoyed that look at this model. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss another one. And on Wednesday, we're going to show you a tour of the Freedom model. We're going to end this by showing you some snapshots of the interior. And then after those, we're going to show you some preview shots of the new gray wood interior that Casita is going to be putting in their trailers beginning in March. So stay tuned for that. See you next time.